Nice to see you again here in China. We know each other for several years, I think. How many orders you have placed to us so far?
We already finished 4 sets of cranes previous years, and now we make a new order for the cranes. And
Yeah.
it's not a final.
Yeah, of course. We hope to have your more orders. And before we have supplied you 4 cranes already
cranes.
since 2023. As mentioned, during the car, we have mentioned now we have improved a lot in the quality, and we follow the standard of European to pay attention to the quality and the looks, of course, appearance. Not just to make it functional, but also to make it beauty as the crane looks. So I think that it will satisfy your and also, of course, your customer.
Yeah, sure. We visit for several times your factory, and each time we see what's your quality better and better. So we are working on it, take attention all our wishes, requirements, notes, what's good. So let's continue to update.
Yes.
The equipment.
You know that we are paying attention to a lot to the quality of the weldings, the machining, and now expect that, of course, this key quality we have to pay attention. But now we have to pay attention to the appearance, make the painting very good, to make the surface painting before assembling, to make it has a long service life of the crane.
Yeah, it's a perfect moment.
Yeah.
Because not every Chinese manufacturers understand that. It's rather difficult to explain sometimes. We say this crane is okay, what's wrong?
Yeah, they won't understand. But now we understand very well about this issue, what you need. Yeah.
And also it's important, it's our requests as always are special requirements. High standard and low temperature, extremely low temperature.
Yes, we know it's
minus 35, and it's good what you can make it using whole calculation, design, probably by RS.
Yes, that's good. This we try to follow as always to fit your requirements.
Yeah, that's very nice.
Thank you.